People who live in Wake County should expect to get some new information about their new property values soon.
Officials presented details to commissioners today discussing how home values largely increased, but residents shouldn't expect to see their taxes increase at the same rate. WRL's Ali Ingersoll joins us live from Raleigh with details on the rates and news from today's commissioners meeting. Ali.
Gerald, I actually just looked at the property value for several of these houses here in Boylan Heights, and it increased about 30% from the last time that this happened. And it's likely that your house is worth more too, but you shouldn't expect your taxes to go up that much.
Wake County assessors examined more than 427,000 properties, 51% more than they evaluated in 2020. Not only are there more properties, but for the most part, they're worth more too.
And the market doesn't change at the same rate for every property or every jurisdiction or every location. If the market changed at the same rate for every property, we wouldn't need to do a revaluation to reset equity.
Kinraid says people shouldn't panic, though, because as property values rise, the tax rate to bring in the same amount of revenue, that goes down. The tax rate they're proposing, about 46 cents for every $100, is a significant decrease from the current rates. So let's look at what this change means for your property tax bill. A Wake County house that matches the average rise in value was worth $165,000 8 years ago. It went up 20% in the 2020 revaluation and now is up 53% on top of that in 2024. In the same time, because of the lowering tax rate, your tax bill went up, but not nearly as much as the value of your house. So while your tax bill is 41% higher than it was in 2016, your house is worth 82% more than it was that year.
From my perspective, revaluations are important because we then get to put all this growth on the books at current market values.
Wendell, Holly Springs, and Knightdale had the highest percentage change in value, according to the county officials. Municipalities have their own tax rates on top of the county.
So you just have to pay close attention. There are both of those pieces for many, many people.
I wanted to break down how exactly this is calculated so you can figure it out on your own too. First, find the combined rate by adding the county rate to wherever you live. Then divide your property value by 100. From there, multiply the combined rate by your property and add any additional fees like waste or fire tax.